The best foods for natural stomach ulcer healing. Is the answer to ulcers in your kitchen? Definitely. Ulcers can be a constant source of discomfort. They can disrupt your daily life. But did you know that your diet can play a major role in their healing? Healing ulcers doesn't always depend on medication alone. With smarter food choices, you can naturally relieve symptoms, promote healing, protect your stomach lining, and support your body's natural healing processes. Let's explore what causes ulcers, how to recognize their symptoms, and most importantly, the foods that can help you heal naturally. Understanding ulcers. What exactly are ulcers and what causes them? A stomach ulcer, also called a peptic ulcer, is an open sore that develops in the lining of the stomach or small intestine. They occur when the protective lining of the stomach becomes weak, allowing acid to damage the underlying tissue. The main causes? The bacteria Helicobacter pylori H. pylori, overuse of NSAIDs like ibuprofen, and sometimes high stress or a poor diet. Symptoms to watch out for include a burning sensation in the stomach, often between the rib cage and belly button, especially when it's empty, or worse at night, nausea, bloating, and loss of appetite. In some cases, people may experience unexplained weight loss or indigestion. Severe symptoms can progress to vomiting blood or having dark, tarry stools, signs of internal bleeding that require immediate medical attention. Best foods for naturally treating ulcers. 1. Cabbage, the classic healer. Did you know that cabbage has a hidden superpower? Cabbage has been a traditional treatment for stomach ulcers for decades. It is rich in vitamin U, a compound derived from the amino acid methionine, which is known for its wound-healing properties. This nutrient was highlighted in the 1950s by Dr. Garnett Cheney's research on the benefits of cabbage juice for stomach ulcers. In addition to supporting digestive health, vitamin U may also help support immune function and lower cholesterol levels. Cabbage juice is rich in vitamin C and other healing compounds that can significantly speed up wound healing. Juice fresh cabbage or add it to soups and salads. Start with small amounts to avoid bloating. Drinking fresh cabbage juice daily may help wounds heal faster than conventional treatments. 2. Bananas, a natural shield. Soft, soothing, and nutrient-rich bananas are a great snack for those dealing with stomach ulcers. Bananas are low in acidity, which helps neutralize stomach acid while reducing inflammation and irritation in the stomach lining. Their rich fiber content aids in digestion and strengthens mucus secretions, a protective barrier against stomach acid. Eating ripe bananas can relieve ulcer symptoms while providing essential nutrients for overall gut health. Enjoy ripe bananas as a snack or blend them into smoothies for a nutritious treat. 3. Aloe vera, more than just a skin treatment. Aloe vera contains compounds that neutralize stomach acid and create a protective barrier along the stomach lining, preventing further ulcers and erosion. Research shows that aloe vera has anti-inflammatory effects and can significantly reduce ulcer severity while promoting faster healing compared to conventional treatments. Drink pure aloe vera juice, no added sugar, before meals. Start with a small amount to make sure it doesn't cause diarrhea. 4. Turmeric. Can a spice really fight stomach problems? Absolutely. Turmeric is a powerhouse for wound healing thanks to its active compound curcumin, which has powerful anti-inflammatory and antioxidant properties. Curcumin protects the stomach lining by increasing the production of mucin, a key component of mucus that acts as a barrier against irritants and acid, thereby reducing the risk of ulcers. In addition, turmeric inhibits the growth of H. pylori, a bacteria often responsible for causing ulcers. Add turmeric to tea or cooking recipes. Combining it with black pepper increases absorption. 5. Honey. Is there a sweeter natural remedy than honey? Raw, unprocessed honey has effective antibacterial properties against H. pylori. It soothes inflammation and supports tissue repair. Consume 1 to 2 teaspoons of raw honey daily on an empty stomach or mix it with herbal tea. 6. Licorice root. Did you know this ancient herb could be the secret to healing ulcers? This tea is known for increasing mucus production in the stomach and esophagus, creating a protective barrier against stomach acid and helping repair the mucosa lining. Additionally, it is rich in flavonoids, which have antioxidant and anti-inflammatory effects and further support digestive health. To avoid the potential side effects of traditional licorice, choose supplements or deglycyrrhizinated licorice DGLT. Glycyrrhizin is the compound responsible for some adverse effects of traditional licorice, such as high blood pressure and low potassium levels. 7. Whole grains, the power of fiber. Whole grains like oatmeal and barley are high in fiber, which can coat the stomach lining and reduce acid irritation. Their antioxidants also help repair the stomach's mucosal barrier. Start your day with plain oatmeal with almond milk and honey. 8. Leafy greens, nutrient-rich healers. Leafy greens like spinach, kale, and Swiss chard are nutritional powerhouses that can do wonders for your stomach health. These greens are packed with vitamins A, C, and K, and they help repair tissues and boost immune function. Their alkaline nature helps neutralize excess stomach acid, creating a favorable environment for healing. Plus, the fiber in leafy greens aids digestion and encourages the growth of beneficial gut bacteria, key players in fighting the bacteria responsible for causing ulcers. With their vibrant colors and health benefits, leafy greens are a delicious way to nourish your body. How to use: adding leafy greens to soups, salads, or smoothies is a great way to get a nutrient-packed meal. 9. Ginger, nature's anti-inflammatory. Ginger is more than just a tasty spice. It's also a powerful ally against stomach ulcers. Known for its anti-inflammatory and antimicrobial properties, ginger can help reduce irritation in the stomach lining while also fighting H. pylori. It's especially effective against ulcers caused by NSAIDs, non-steroidal anti-inflammatory drugs, making it a versatile addition to your diet. Brew a soothing cup of ginger tea or grate fresh ginger into your meals for a healthy, extra flavor. 10. Probiotics. Restore balance. Probiotic-rich foods like yogurt and kefir are essential for restoring gut health. These friendly bacteria help rebalance your microbiome by promoting the growth of good bacteria that can suppress H. pylori. Including probiotics in your diet can improve digestion and support overall gut function. How to use: incorporate probiotics into your daily routine by enjoying yogurt or kefir as a snack or adding them to smoothies. Just be sure to choose options that aren't too sour if they upset your stomach. Don't miss this video to learn more about nutritious foods and probiotics. Thanks for watching.